Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now this is my favorite time of the week. Today there is a theme and it's called falling leaves. So let's get started, guys. Now here we have a tablescape that was already decorated for two and leaves. Now the plates themselves were thrifted items. They were a great score, guys. They are literally in leaves. And also, if you look along the back of the tablescape before we actually walk around the table, that was a DIY garland that I did in my Reese Galore collaboration. And that is all filled with leaves. Okay, I just recently did that centerpiece and that was a thrifted item, and all I did was spruce it up a little bit, add a candle, and voila. We have warm, we have fall, we have leaves. It is beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna let you walk around the table with me. I do have two black tapered candles in black, and that center candle is like a taupe color. All of these warm colors are beautiful. I have pine cones in the middle of the salad plate. I think this tablescape came out gorgeous. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. Like I said, I am loving the dinnerware. So the flatware did come from Aldi's. The napkins were thrifted. And so here's the pine cone. We got that from outside. And here's a closer look at the dishes. Aren't they gorgeous? Salad plate. We're going to break this down as you can see. And here is the dinner plate. Loving that, guys. Loving that. Now here is a charger that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And then this placemat was also a thrifted item, and I am absolutely loving that as well. So all of these colors are blending in so marvelously. I mean, this looks so great together. So now we're going to go ahead and build it back. Okay, so isn't this a very inviting tablescape? I am loving it. So here's the wine glass. So this wine glass came from the Dollar Tree. The water glasses were thrifted as well. So this is a budget-friendly tablescape, and you would never know it. You would never know it. So let's go to the reveal, guys. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.